If you spend any time looking for work online, you've undoubtedly heard of Indeed and probably wonder how it compares to other platforms. Let's break down some of Indeed's features so you can decide which platform is right for you. Hey and welcome back. My name is Preston. I'm a professional recruiter in the technology industry. My past videos covered two of the biggest online job platforms on the internet, ZipRecruiter and Monster. These websites provide recruiters and hiring managers with the way to create a single job advertisement and distribute it out to a variety of different job boards. ZipRecruiter focuses on smaller niche job boards, many of them related to technology research and development. Monster, on the other hand, distributes its job ads via its social media network and local national news partners. They both provide a fantastic way to cast a wide net across a variety of specialized sources in order to locate and attract the best qualified candidates in their field. If you'd like to learn more about Monster and ZipRecruiter, I recommend going back to the previous videos and checking them out first. If you spend any time looking for work online, and maybe even if you haven't, you've undoubtedly heard of Indeed and probably wonder how it compares to other platforms. Don't worry, today we'll be discussing Indeed, its features, pricing, and how it compares to the aforementioned platforms. I'll also quickly break down how to post a job on Indeed and some tips for optimizing your post. But before we get started, please consider helping out a fellow recruiter. Give us a big like, subscribe, click that bell. It really means a lot. Indeed has been around for a long time, since 2004, and functions quite differently from ZipRecruiter and Monster. While the latter two platforms send out a single job post to a number of different job boards, Indeed itself is the job board. Employers can post directly to their website for applicants to respond to. Indeed, being a singular job board, lacks the wide coverage of ZipRecruiter and Monster. However, it makes up for this in sheer numbers. Indeed is the most visited job site on the web with 61.9 million monthly users. Indeed is also a generalized platform that caters to virtually every industry out there. It is frequently used for lower level hourly, temporary, or part-time jobs, but can also be used to place more experienced applicants in higher level positions as well. As such, Indeed can be used as a replacement to either of those platforms. Alternatively, companies with greater hiring needs can consider using Indeed in tandem with Monster or ZipRecruiter to fully maximize your coverage. Let's break down some of Indeed's features so you can decide which platform is right for you. Indeed's features. Most of Indeed's features are standard for an online job platform. The biggest difference between Indeed and the previous websites we've covered is its most basic function. While ZipRecruiter and Monster, they send job postings out to other platforms, Indeed acts as a job aggregator and collects jobs from around the internet under one umbrella, the job search engine. Indeed is what's known as a vertical search engine. Instead of returning a wide variety of general results, it's programmed specifically to return only open job postings. You can think of it as like a Google or Bing, but for job hunting. Indeed aggregates listings from a variety of sources, including other online job boards, company career pages, staffing firms, and more. For more job secrets, Indeed is one of the first or only places they go to look for a job, so it's one of the best places to consider posting an open position. Free job postings. If you've considered using Indeed to publicize a job posting, then you're in luck. Not only does Indeed provide a fairly robust and intuitive set of features to do so, but many of the most powerful ones are completely free. If you're on a tight budget or you're just unsure if Indeed is the right platform for you, there's no harm in posting a job to try it out. A free job posting on Indeed means your position will appear in the Indeed search results, which subsequently rank high on general search engines like Google or Bing. Unqualified applicants are filtered out using a preset screening questions. You can also test applicants using pre-made skill tests provided by Indeed. You can interview candidates virtually through Indeed. You'll have access to Indeed's dashboard to help organize and contact candidates. You can also track your job post performance. You'll have access to Indeed's labor market data and trend reports. The Indeed dashboard will integrate with your ATS. These features are some of the most robust for free posting. The one big downside to a free LinkedIn job post is that it will quickly fall lower and lower and lower and lower in the search results, making it harder for potential candidates to find as time goes on. If you like your job ad to continue to reach a wide variety of candidates for days or even weeks after you posted it, you'll need to consider sponsoring it. Pricing. Sponsor a job post. Indeed makes money by allowing recruiters and hiring managers to sponsor their job posts, which promotes it and makes it visible for a much longer period of time. In fact, when you create a sponsored job post, you have the ability to set your desired number of applications. When that number is met, a job is automatically paused or closed depending on your preferences. Additionally, sponsoring a post gives you the ability to post the same job in multiple locations, state or nationwide. So like ZipRecruiter and Monster, Indeed also provides instant resume matches after sponsoring a post. Sponsoring a post is best for making a quick hire, hard to fill positions with specialized requirements, competitive industries and job markets. If a free job posting is not attracting the right candidates, Indeed's incredibly flexible pricing options allow the opportunity to post jobs even under the tightest budgets. For 2022, Indeed has moved from a pay-per-click model to a pay-per-ad applicant model, which is far more cost effective. You only charge if a qualified candidate sends in an application. The best part is that you can decide what counts as a qualified applicant. You have 48 hours after a candidate applies to accept or reject them. If rejected, you won't be charged. The actual price per applicant is determined by Indeed. They use their own analytics and market data to generate a reasonable price based on previous hires. Employers are charged at the beginning of every month or once their total exceeds $500, whichever comes first. Regardless of whether or not you choose to sponsor a job listing, the process of posting a job opening on Indeed is the same. Let's quickly look into that right now. Posting a job on Indeed. If you've watched my other videos on how to publicize job openings, you'll know that there is a significant amount of prep you should do before beginning to write your own job post. I won't go into too much detail here. I recommend going back and watching my older videos, but it's definitely worth a mention. Research, research, research. While Indeed provides several helpful ways of optimizing a job posting, it's still important to do your own research so you can begin the process as informed as possible. Review similar or past job postings on Indeed and even other job platforms for an idea of related keywords, relevant qualifications, and fair salary ranges. The more information you can gather before making your own job post, the more effective it will be in attracting the right talent. Click. Post the job. Next, you'll want to log in or create an employer account on Indeed. Like any other online platform, you'll be asked to fill out information about you and your organization. And once you're ready to begin the post, click Post the Job. Enter job details. Indeed will prompt you for a number of specific details about the job you're posting. This will help to determine an appropriate price per applicant and also filters appropriate templates you can use to fill in the job description in just a moment. It's important that you provide as much information as you can here so Indeed can best optimize the ad. Remember to include the following: pay range, benefits, the shift details, location, qualification, skills, job responsibilities, experience. Create an enticing job title. This means avoid silly buzzwords like guru, wizard, or ninja. Keep it simple and to the point. Indeed suggests a title around 80 characters or less. Create a job description. Creating an effective job description could be one of the most intimidating parts of posting a job opening online. Luckily, Indeed has you covered here with hundreds of optimized, pre-made job descriptions that are customizable to your liking. I recommend using Indeed's template as a base and then filling in the specific details based on the research you did previously. If you would prefer to create your own job description, keep these pointers in mind. Keep paragraphs short, sweet, and to the point. Use bullet points to summarize responsibilities and qualifications. Keep vocabulary simple and accessible. Remain upbeat and conversational. Remember that this job posting may be your candidate's first impression of your organization, so you'll want to spend extra time on this to get it just right. Applicant screening and assessments. This is probably the most important part of posting a job opening on Indeed. The platform provides a variety of different ways to assess applicants, usually in the form of pre-screening questions and skill tests. Applicants that don't meet the requirements or qualifications will be filtered out, so you need to be as detailed and specific as possible in order to retain the best talent and automatically reject the candidates that aren't up to par. Luckily, Indeed has plenty of pre-made questions to choose from here, and you can write your own based on the research you did earlier. Skill tests and pre-screening questions also serve another helpful function. They show how interested a candidate is in the role. If they're willing to take the time to answer the questions to the best of your ability, you'll know that they have more than just a passing interest in the job. Indeed is the top hiring platform on the internet in the world, so I know plenty of you have experience with it. I'd love to hear about your thoughts, your experience about the platform. Make sure you comment down below. If you like this video, want to see more like it, feel free to support a fellow recruiter. Give us a big like, subscribe, click that bell. It really means a lot. Feel free to also follow me at Preston_Park for my behind the scenes content daily. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.